Students, last class we discussed a grammar worksheet from our chapter puppy and I. Today we are going to discuss another grammar worksheet related to our chapters puppy and I. So let's start. Student, mainly today we will discuss about opposite words and different domestic and wild animals. Okay. Student, I write here first question, list the animals under domestic animals and wild animals. We know that domestic means that is used for domestic purpose and also in our it is stay in our home, and wild animals means it is stay in jungle. So write the answer. Here is some animals name that is mix of wild animals and domestic animals. We need to find out the correct one and then make up a list here. At first, jackal. Jackal, you know that it is wild animal. So we can write here jackal. Then fox. Fox also wild animals. Then tiger. Tiger also same to same wild animals. Then dog. Dog is domestic. Actually, dog is pet animal also, but we can also use call that domestic because it is also help in different purpose. Then cow. Cow also domestic animals. Elephant. Elephant is wild animal. Elephant, wild animal. Then bear. Bear also wild animal. Then sheep, goat, buffalo. All three are domestic. Sheep, goat, and then last one is buffalo. All of are is domestic. Okay, so this is our question number 1. Note down it properly. Next we will write about opposite word and then some question from our book. So write properly. Student, always remember when you write, please read it properly because reading is very important to remember properly in our mind. And all of the question note down properly. It is very important from our these chapters. Okay. Next class we will discuss some spelling question. So stay with your teacher. Okay students, I hope you note down all the points very carefully, so I can rough the question, so we can write our question number 2. Okay, and don't worry if you note down. If you can't note down properly, you can pause this video next time. Okay, so I will rough the question number 1. No problems, I will wrap this one. You note down this one, and this is also you can find out here in your book. So you can write also from your book. No problems. It is from our book. Okay, note down properly. Okay student, next question, write the opposite word for the following. Question number 2. Write the opposite words for the followings. This is not from our book. What is from our book, but this is made by me. It is this opposite word question directly not in our chapter, but it is important in our exam. It will be come. So note down properly. When we start our right answer, we can make it at first like this: words, and this side opposite word. Opposite words. So we can understand properly. So students, I will wrap this on. I hope you note down all of this very carefully. Okay, that's why I wrap this. Okay student, at first, calm. First word is calm, then down, then we can write day, we can write day, we can write village. It is all of the words from our chapters. Then we can write get, and we can write also wow. This word is from our chapters. So in our exam it will be come as a opposite word. So come is always go, then down, up, then day is night. Like that morning is evening. Then village you can write town or city. Then get means to get something. So that means opposite is lost. Then walk means walk, but opposite is run. Okay, so this is our question number 2. Students, if you miss the worksheet number 1, that means grammar worksheet number 1, you can watch. Okay, so watch this class up to last, and in the last I will provide all of the English playlist, EVS playlist, and computer playlist, so you can watch from there. Okay students, I hope you note down all of the points, all of the opposite word properly, so I can wrap this one, then we will write our next question. Okay. Okay students, I hope you note down all of the question related to question number 2. Then next question, that means question number 3. Question 3. Student, I already written on the board our poem Bruno. This is for page number from 60 to 8, and then I write here question number 1. Actually this question is related to this poem, so I write this one. Okay, so at first student, I write here Bruno is my dash. So here is written already Bruno is my pet. So the correct answer is pet. Then number 2, write. Number 2 question is he breaks his dash. He breaks his dash. So we can write very easily he breaks his dish, but we have a option dish and fish. Dish oblique fish. You can follow your book also, and then you can note down the answer in your book also. Then number 3rd question we have daddy gives him. Daddy gives him. You can give this answer very easily. Daddy gives him milk. Gives him. we need to write the correct answer milk, but we have two options, milk and water. Milk and water we have the option. Then question number 4, we have a question. Mommy gives him a new. Mommy gives him a new dash. We can write very easily. Mommy gives him a new dish. So our answer is dish. But we have two options, fish and dish again. Actually, this question is choose the right words. So we need to write this option also. This is important. Okay. But when this question will become fill in the blanks, so we no need to write the option. Then 5 and last number is Bruno is now you can say the answer. Bruno is now happy. Bruno is now happy, but we have the option sad and happy, both of two. So this is our total 3 question for worksheet 2. So note down properly. It is important, very important. Next class we will discuss some spelling question from our chapters Puppy and I. Note down properly, student, and remember when you write it, when you read it, remember again and again, so it will be better for your study. Okay students, I hope you note down all of the question properly, and this is very helpful for your study. So if you like this class, if you want this types of class regularly, you can like, you can share with your friends. And remember always, if you are new in this channel, you can subscribe so you can got all of the class up to date time. Okay, so this 3 questions for today's class. Thank you all of you.